Hey, this is Vince with Corro-Protec. Today I'm going to show you how to change your water heater anode rod. So this is a gas hot water tank. If it's an electric, it's almost the same steps. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you want to do is turn off the burning element right there. So we turn that off. We turn the gas off too. And you turn off the cold water inlet right there. If it's an electric, you turn off the breaker so it stops the element inside the tank. Okay, so let's find the anode rod. So normally you will have two plastic cap like that. So there was a plastic cap right there that I've already removed. You can see insulation under this one. So you need to dig the insulation in order to access the anode rod. This can be very hard to remove. So you need a breaker bar or an impact wrench if you want to remove that anode rod. Okay, so you see this one is in very bad condition. So this one needs to be replaced. Yes, there's anode rod left, but the corrosion rate will be too aggressive for your tank. A brand new rod will do a good job. So you take the new rod, you put it in, and you do all the steps I did. You turn back the gas on, the burner, the cold water inlet on, and you're good to go. Depending where your hot water tank is installed, if you have a lot of clearance like that, you can use a solid magnesium or aluminum zinc anode rod like this one. So this is factory install. If you don't have a lot of clearance, there's no way you will be able to install that without removing your tank. If you don't have a lot of clearance, one other thing you can install is flexible anode like that. So it's both magnesium or aluminum zinc. It's easier to install, but it's more expensive. It will do the same job as a solid anode rod. And finally, if you don't want to do this ever again, you need to install an electric anode rod made by Corro-Protec. So this one uses current, so you will have a power supply that you need to plug. It uses current to stop corrosion. And yes, this is the real size, is 12 inches long, so it's very easy to install. It will stop the corrosion, the rotten egg smell, and many more water heater problems you can have.